Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're doing the second phase of the drone montage series, episode 2, where we show the next lot of adventures that we've done in old Loza. Without further ado, let's get on with it. Here we have the Ribblehead Viaduct iconic bridge in the Yorkshire Dales. It has 24 massive stone arches which are 32 metres above the moor. The build of this bridge caused such loss of life. Hundreds of railway builders lost their lives building this line from a combination of accidents, fights and smallpox outbreak that the railway paid for an expansion of the local graveyard. I've got some exciting news to share, guys. I've actually started my own membership page on my YouTube now. Whoop, whoop. Just another way to try and get another little revenue stream to transition into doing this full time for you guys. So if you're interested in supporting the channel a little bit more and you like what I do and want to help me out going forwards, then have a look. I think I've set up a couple of tiers, a bronze and a silver at the moment. So I want to try and build a little community for you guys where, you know, we go on this journey together and be a nice little experience going forwards, I think. Yeah, it's exciting. I mean, I don't expect anything from anyone, but, you know, if you do want to reach out and support old VanHikeMike, then have a little look, see what you think. Fucking idiot, aren't I? Well, I hope you're enjoying this drone montage so far, guys. And if you are, a cheeky like will go a long way. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to click that button too. Back to it. must admit, even for me to watch them back, it's nice to see where I've been and what we've done and what we've captured on the drone. If you haven't already, I'd highly recommend checking out some of my adventures showcasing the full days of what you've just seen the snippets of there, where we take you on a beautiful hike and I take you on the journey up to it, and then obviously you get to see that drone footage and some of the stuff you've seen already. I'd highly recommend having a little look, guys. I'd be interested to know in the comments as well, what was your favourite drone shot out of those that you've seen today, or even the full adventure if you can remember which one it was from. Thanks for watching, guys. I always appreciate you giving me your time. I'm very blessed for all the likes, comments that you guys give me. So thanks for that. And as always, guys, don't forget to get your wag on. Work, adventure and game. Mike out.